Over here, boys, over here. Back up, everyone, back up.
What's up, brother? Ashton, nice to meet you.
What up is the sun?
Huh? The owner? Okay, good to meet you, bro. Thank you, bro. Ashton Hall, good to meet you. Ashton Hall, good to meet you, brother.
bro.
Christian.
So two things, man. Thank you so much. I appreciate what you're doing for him.
Thank you.
And two, what you're doing for the continent of Africa.
Thank you.
The motherland.
Thank you. The motherland.
The motherland.
The motherland. Yeah, hey, Granda is amazing. It's beautiful. I love it here, bro.
Yes.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
So
So clean here.
So if you're at home, you know, if you guys want to just hang out, play games and stuff like that, it's called Kagarara Universe. This is where everything happens. You know, entertainment, sports, everything.
Okay.
Kagarara. Wawe mugisha ku gihugu. Good, thank you. When you plan to hit back?
So, my guy. Hey! Yeah, tonight.
I'm so happy
last one.
to see you, brother.
Thank you.
This is very cool that y'all see it. I'm so proud of you.
Love, brother. Good to meet you, brother.
Thank you for supporting us.
Oh, you the guy?
The
This your boy.
The anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He wouldn't stop talking about you.
Yeah, man.
And then as I heard some of your songs, you're amazing.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
You're amazing, bro. Physique is on point, too.
I mean, I'm trying to be like you.
You're not trying. You're not trying. You're there already.
I'm definitely. Are we gonna do a push-up challenge or something?
Oh, him.
With him?
He's I'm fragile. Look, I'm done for. I'm done for. You from here, born and raised?
Born in Uganda.
Okay.
Raised here, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
God has given you a massive talent, bro.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
We
How old are
really
you?
appreciate it. I'm 35 right now.
35. Okay, cool. I'm 30.
Yeah. I really appreciate you. We appreciate the love that you've been showing to our brother here and to our country as well.
Yeah.
So thank you very much.
100%. Well, what I can say is he's been grinding.
Yeah.
He caught my attention. That's the work that he put in.
Yeah.
In this country, Granda is the cleanest.
Yeah. You noticed it?
It's cleaner than America.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you for
You know what I'm
that.
saying? So it's been a pleasure being here, bro. 100%.
I don't want to say, this is the Indian young brother.
The boy.
Good to
This
see you,
is
brother.
the boy, Indian Ashton Hall. Yeah, so.
Good to see you, brother.
His name is Yagandra, and he's a hard worker. He kills it.
So he flew all the way from India?
Yeah, we brought him here. It's his first time being out of the country. First country he came to was Africa.
Wow.
Second one will be America, unless we have another detour.
So he was actually in North India or South Africa?
He's in Gwalior.
He went to school in India.
Mid.
So do you speak Tamil or Hindi?
Hindi.
Hindi.
Oh, okay.
Hindi.
So I went to school in
India,
India,
South-
in South India.
South-
So
You know Hindi?
Tamil, yeah. I
You know Hindi?
I know Tamil.
Mid Hindi.
I went to school in South India.
Oh, okay.
So I was trying to find it out.
Oh, wow.
Is that the part is that the part you went to school to?
No. He's in the north. I went to the south.
No, mid, MP.
So you're in the mid?
Mid.
Okay, good.
My man, listen, we've been watching you. The entire country is super proud of you.
Yeah.
And we can't thank you enough, brother. We cannot thank you enough.
Thank you.
We love you. We love you big time.
Brother,
For real.
thanks for coming.
I've been following you for a while.
Yeah, thank you, bro. He's been talking about you the whole trip, so I was like, how can we get this brother out here?
Can you please at least
I said, who's your favorite artist? All he says is you.
a drink, please?
All he says. Singing all your songs the whole time, and he can sing.
Those videos they were leaking, they were all over the place. You know, he can sing.
He can sing.
Yeah, he can sing big time.
Yeah, he's a very, very humble dude. You know what I'm saying? God has his hands on him,
Yeah.
and it's a blessing.
And I also love the. It seems like what you do, there's a bigger purpose on top of what you're just showing. They're showing that you want to lead people to the cross,
To the kingdom.
to the kingdom.
100%.
It's amazing, and that's what I believe in as well.
100%.
So I think that added up to something about you, because we already loved you. We already loved the content you share.
Yeah.
But the purpose you have behind it, it's bigger than what we can see.
Yeah,
So,
thank you, bro.
Yeah.
Everything is temporary.
Yeah.
We all have deep, dark days.
Absolutely.
Dark days, but when I can think, okay, even if I have nothing, I still got Jesus.
Exactly.
That means I have everything. You know, so that's the only
a
peace, that's the only
huge
hope I
message.
have. And I feel like that's what everybody should hear. That's what everybody should be holding on their shoulders. 'Cause this life is hard.
Yeah.
This life is tough, bro.
Yeah.
You know, not to be a preacher or anything like that.
Yeah.
But like, life is challenging, man.
Seeing a young man like you could be doing, you could be sharing other messages, but for you to
Yeah.
choose to share the message of kingdom is amazing.
The most important message.
I really appreciate you.
Yeah, we got to get up though.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, I'm only here for a little bit.
Where are you living?
Tonight.
Really?
Tonight,
I
bro.
thought you're gonna go. Oh, but we're still going for dinner, right? You coming to my house? Right?
Yeah. I think we're about to go do something right now. We're about to leave this spot and then do something with you.
Okay.
It's word that I got. I was
thought you were
super
gonna
excited
go
about
to,
that.
Musanze, what's the name of the place?
We're trying to stretch it out. We're trying to go everywhere.
Musanze,
We're supposed to go
Where?
to
You guys are going to
gyms, restaurants. They want him everywhere.
Yeah? You go great.
They want.
You know how long I'm going to be with?
I don't know.
Yeah?
Wherever he wants to go first.
No, because wait, it's far. If you're leaving tonight, you can go to.
Oh, it's far?
It's about 2 hours away.
Oh, no.
That's where the cows are?
Next trip, but I can tell you this.
That's where the cars are.
Yeah,
The cows.
The cows. I put that in my script. But I can tell you this, I'm
Probably
for
gonna
sure
come
coming
back
back to Granda though, 1,000%.
Okay.
We're actually gonna tour the whole East.
Okay.
Yeah, but
Oh, East Africa?
Special announcement. Yeah,
Really?
for sure.
Are you going to Uganda?
Yeah.
But that's my second home country.
Oh, really?
Because I was born there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Oh, it's gonna be amazing.
Uganda or Granda?
Uganda. I was born in Uganda.
I'm saying Uganda.
Oh, are you-
Rwanda.
Rwanda, of course. Rwanda comes first.
I thought I was gonna trip him up. He didn't even think about it. He said Granda comes first. It's here. It's here.
Obviously, Uganda number 2 for sure.
Uganda number 2. It's love. It's love. It's love. It's love. Alright, let's walk.
Yeah. Fresh kabisa. Abahungu bacu bari muri zino nce ariko nabo.
The boy.
Yeah.
Champion.
Are you loving Rwanda?
Yeah. Beautiful city, Rwanda. First time.
Hey, Small, have you seen him before in person? Small. Have you seen him in person before?
Yeah, we met in person.
Oh, really?
Yeah, we met him one time though.
How long ago?
It's been probably a week before you flew to see you.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, you met him a week ago?
Yeah, like a week ago. Yeah.
Oh, that's smooth.
Yeah. He came. I had a big show in a countryside called Mutara,
And he pulled up?
and he pulled out.
For real?
Yeah, with the entire team.
Oh, really?
Yeah, acha hu.